As a single mom, if I had to start over and had to make extra income starting from zero, I'll do these 7 side hustles, and number 7 is the one most people are sleeping on. I've studied and tested different ways to make money online, and these are the most realistic for beginners right now. First, AI content services. You create captions, resumes, or posts for businesses using AI tools. Second, service flipping. You buy services cheap from freelancers and resell them at a higher price. Third, local lead generations. Build simple websites for local businesses and send them customers. I promise you, it's like a form of marketing, and you will make a shit ton of money. Four, digital products. Make things like planners, ebooks, books, templates, or guides once and sell them over and over. This is actually my favorite. This is what I'm actually doing in the video right now because, babe, it's going to keep bringing you in that passive income. Fifth, print on demand. You design the idea and companies handle the printing and the shipping. You ain't got to worry about standing no UPS store, FedEx, none of that. You just design the idea and they will print and do the hard work for you. Six, one that I know a lot of content creators are doing is UGC, or user generated content. This is the one that I tell y'all to focus on the most. Brands will literally pay you to create short videos for their products, even if you have 0 followers. I keep telling y'all that because people have a lot of followers, that does not mean nothing. Followers does not mean money. I know people that have hundreds of thousands to millions of followers and not nearly making a lot of money as people that have thousands of followers with the UGC content. Hey, when I tell you followers do not mean nothing, you are not an influencer. You're a content creator for hire. 7, this one can replace a part-time job. Faceless social media page or a faceless YouTube channel. Yes, you heard what I said correctly. This one side hustle alone can replace a part-time job. You don't need to show your face. You just pick a niche and you post constantly, okay? I have multiple faceless pages and channels that a lot of people don't even know that it's me. One of my favorite is my faceless pedicure page, and I post pics and videos of pedicure content, and it brings in the extra thousands of dollars just using social media. You don't need a big following. You don't need customers. You don't need nobody to buy anything. All you need to do is be consistent and post the content. If you're interested, I have a whole ebook. The link is in my bio, and I break down exactly how I post my faceless pedicure content, which will help bring in extra thousands of dollars. I give you the whole game just using social media platforms that you're going to be on anyway. I just have this rule in my head. If I'm going to be on social media, I'm going to utilize it to network and to make money. Y'all need to start treating social media as a business. Stop just treating it as a hee hee ha ha social moment. No, use it as a business and a money-making opportunity. If you want, I could break down exactly how to start any of these from scratch. Just comment which one. And if you enjoy content like this, follow your girl for more and share this with someone who needs some extra money in their pocket.